Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tella Simbi, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a closure using curly hair and then how to achieve those curls back when you're done making your closure. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and share and like. I'm going to be using these 3 bundles for the whole week. So I'm going to start off by preparing my closure, how wide I want it to be. So at the front I'm going to mark 5 inches, then 1 inch going backwards. At the middle part I'm going to mark 4 inches. I'm going to mark another 2 inches at the middle part. Then after that I'm going to join those dots that I was drawing there. This is how my closure is going to look like. And then I'm going to cut off the weft and create my ventilating here. So I'm going to cut off the weft and pull out little hairs so that it will all be the same size. So right here I'm picking 2 strands of hair and skipping a hole. 2 strands of hair, skipping a hole. And at the front on the hairline I'm going to switch to 1. So continue picking 2 strands and skipping a hole until you reach the hairline. Then you switch from 2 to 1 strand, still skipping 1 hole. So as you can see right here at the front I'm picking 1 strand. It depends on how you want your closure to look like, but if you want it to look more natural at the front you should pick 1 strand, but if you want it to look like a little bit more full, you can just pick 2 strands throughout the whole closure. But mine, I want it to look a little bit natural at the front, so that's why I'm picking 1 strand. 1 or 2, don't pick anything more than that, it won't look nice. So right here I'm going to do like little twist so that I can achieve those curls back. I'm going to twist the hair, and after that I'm going to dip it in hot water and allow it to dry completely. You can leave it overnight or you can just put it outside on to sun dry. So depending on what time is it, but you should let it dry completely. I've already made my wig, so right here I'm just dipping the closure only into the hot water. After it's dry, you can start unraveling the twist and you can achieve those curls back. This is how the bundles came like. So when ventilating, you lost the curls, obviously. So you have to twist them and put them in hot water so that you can achieve those curls back. Right here, I'm applying mousse. to activate those curls and make them blend in with the rest of the wig. So this is how it's looking. This is the complete look. You can see how the curls are blending in with each other. I really love it. So I'm not going to try it on myself because I made it for a client. So I just wanted to show you how easy it is to achieve the curls back after you made your closure with curly hair. So this is how it is, like that. You can see how the closure and the bundles are blending like that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Goodbye.